Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Guys, my today's video is creative and unique in itself because in this video I'm going to share some more creative latest embroidery ideas. All of these embroidery patterns are floral embroidery patterns and the scope is internationally widely acceptable because you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for embroidery motif on your sleeves, on your back neck motif, on your shirt bottoms, corners, on your neckline side lines to give them a more creative look. But wait, the scope is not only limited to this. If you are a lover of hand art or you are in search of some creative, unique and beautiful patterns, then friends, you can use these patterns for hoop art as well. You can use these very beautiful floral metals to design like your baby girl dresses on the frock yoke of your baby girls, onto skirts. Even you can design these very beautiful patterns onto your denim shirts, denim jackets, onto your jeans as well. On the back pockets of your jeans, they would look absolutely mesmerizing and eye-catchy. You can also decor your already in use plain fabric kurtis to make these very beautiful floral patterns and give them a new life and new touch. I hope, guys, that you are getting my points, that you are getting a wider and a beautiful perspective of how you can use one embroidery pattern for many remarkable and large number of different style ideas to become a very creative and unique style icon. And you can also use these very beautiful and pretty embroidery ideas if you are thinking to begin an embroidery startup and to make a handsome amount of money as well, because all of these patterns are simple, easy to make. Some simple sort of embroidery stitches are being used to embroider the whole pattern, and less amount of effort would be required, and you can make a handsome amount of money as well. So instead of spending a lot of money onto highly price tagged designer dresses that are absolutely handmade, you can create a dress of your own by sitting at your home and you can become a designer of your own. I hope that I have tried my level best to convince you to try these patterns and exactly just follow the color combinations and the style track pattern as well. Even also use the same embroidery stitches as well to give a more creative and unique enhanced look. Some basic embroidery stitches that are being used repetitively are for mini flowers, lazy daisy stitch have been used. For mini leaves, lazy daisy stitch have been used. And for bigger leaves, fly stitch have been used. And for medium type of leaves, satin stitch have been used most probably. And for floral patterns, different type of knot stitches, knotty veils, so satin stitch, some sort of simple forward stitch are being used. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video, so stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.